Hi, Greg Windel. I'm here with David Walker. This is a message for the clients of Ray White Upper North Shore and Ray White Hornsby to bring you an update on what's happening in the market. Clearly this week there's been some very positive signs coming through with the easing of restrictions that have directly affected the property market. Open homes been re-established and on-site auctions are recommencing. We think it's a very positive move to get things pushing forward again.
For April, surprisingly, the numbers for the Upper North Shore were actually quite strong. Buyer numbers at open homes remain positive. This is due, in our opinion, to the lack of stock on the market. Stock levels across the Upper North Shore are down 60% from where they were this time last year, which has meant buyers have less to choose from and therefore there is more competition when it comes to buying a property. Properties that we listed and sold in April had an average days on market of 10 days, which is substantially less than the average days on market that we'd seen so far for 2020. This is due to the lack of stock, the lack of choice, and therefore the heightened competition when it comes to a buyer trying to make a decision on where they want to live. So the message is prices remain quite steady and competition is there for properties that come on the market. So if you're thinking of selling with the lack of stock available, maybe now is a time to capitalise.
So whilst there is a lot of conflicting information coming out throughout the property industry, locally we do see some very positive signs that will have a good impact on our market. We are in a low interest rate environment and that's expected to continue. The government stimulus packages have had a positive effect on the property market and the ability to transact. And as Dave mentioned, buyer demand in our area remains very, very strong. The underlying demand and ability to get the finance is there. So overall, we're cautiously optimistic about the prospects in the short to mid-term for the North Shore property market. As always, our sales and property management teams are here to help you and assist you in any way we can. Thank you.